All right, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Motorola Moto G50. Now, this is my second Motorola phone in the last couple of weeks, so I don't really know what's going on. I guess Motorola is just releasing new phones right now. Anyways, I'm excited to check this one out because the specs on it are really good. It's only $250 as well. Now, as we are getting this, if you guys could tap the like button on this video, I greatly appreciate it. If you want to check out our full review on our website for it, I'll have a link in both the description and comments. Okay, so now we got the wrapping off of it, and here we go. Unboxed. Okay, cool. It's got some plastic wrapping on the front. So the phone has got a 6.5-inch LCD display, so display is pretty big. It's also got a Snapdragon 480 processor, which is pretty decent, so it should be able to play some high graphic games like COD Mobile, PUBG, whatever, pretty good. And then it's got a 48 megapixel back camera on it, which is actually really nice as well. All right, so anyways, let's see what else comes in the box here. And, oh, that's nice. Okay, it actually comes with headphones. I can't remember the last time I've really seen a phone come with headphones. I feel like they all make you pay for them now, all these phone manufacturers. But, yeah, you get some headphones in here, and I like that. I like seeing that. The free headphones, definitely kind of a big deal these days. Okay, so the phone itself, it's got a plastic backing, and it's actually got a case on it. It's kind of hard to tell. This phone is basically going to have a glare no matter what you do here, so just know that it's going to have a glare on the back. That's just how the phone is designed. But overall, I mean, it looks nice. It's plastic. It feels good, though. Nothing wrong with it. And now it's time to flip this baby over and turn it on. So I got to take the plastic wrapping off the front here. I'm going to power it up, though. And, you know, of course, we got that Motorola startup, which, yeah. Also, as far as video recording goes, you can get up to 1080p by 60 frames per second. So there's going to be no 4K video recording, and it's got a 5000 mAh battery, which is good. I mean, that should definitely get you through a full day for sure. You got to remember this phone is only $250. So, yeah. Okay, so I actually skipped through this startup screen so we could save some time here, and this is the wallpaper you get. Now, I always like to take a look at the wallpapers when I start up a new phone, so we'll see what else we got in here. And we do have a few different options, honestly. There's an art section on here I was looking at before, and I like this red, so I'm just going to go with this. We're going to set this as our home and lock screen, and boom. Yeah, but definitely like a bunch of different wallpapers stock on here that you can get. And next thing I want to really do here is check out some of the performance of the phone. So I haven't really taken any pictures with it yet. I mean, we just got it started up. I had a second to download one game here. This game's called like Final Fighter. And it looked pretty cool. It had a lot of good reviews on it, so we're going to get into some of it here. You will notice there is a little bit of a notch on this phone. It's not huge or anything, but it is there. The volume on this phone is really good. So the sound quality is definitely there, which is, you know, always a plus. I'm also going to say that it's running this game just fine, too. I mean, we're not really looking at any lag. I'll be doing some other games, obviously, though, once we get the phone going a little bit more. But let's check this out. Okay, so my first impressions on the Motorola Moto G50, it's a nice phone. For $250, I feel like there's a lot of value here. I'm still going to, get a chance to take some pictures with it shortly. We'll see how those turn out, but 48 megapixel back camera, 1080 by 60 frames per second. The display is big. I like that it comes with headphones. It comes with the case. It does have a plastic backing on it, but that can also be a plus, especially if you're clumsy and you drop your phone a lot. You don't have to worry about it, you know, cracking on the first drop. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Smash the like button if you did not. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.